Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you forgot your VIVO V60E lock screen pattern. So if you cannot access your device using your lock screen pattern, the best decision in such situation would be to reach out to VIVO customer support service and tell them about the issue that you encountered. And if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, for example, by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this device, you'll be able to regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from it. Now, the other way to regain access to your device is by performing a factory reset operation on it. And in order to perform this before everything else, if you perform this operation on your phone, it will erase all data from your smartphone. So make sure that you're ready to perform this operation. And in order to do so, you're gonna have to either use a local or the remote method. Now, to remotely remove all data from your smartphone, you're gonna have to use any other device that has internet connection on it. I'm gonna be using this smartphone, but you can use any other smartphone, tablet, or laptop, PC, anything else. Basically, all you have to do is open the web browser on it, then find and open the Find Hub website. It's the official website by Google. Then sign into your Google account that is linked with this smartphone. And after you do that, you have to go to the devices section on this web page. Find your VIVO V60E on the list, tap on it, and select factory data reset. Once the factory data reset is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again as a new device. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone is using the recovery mode. And if you want to know how to erase all data from your smartphone using recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out. And for this video, I also want to mention another case. So if you do remember your lock screen pattern, but you still cannot access your device because your phone doesn't recognize it, then it may be caused by some third-party application or some background activity that is causing your device's lock screen to misbehave. And in such case, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode where third-party applications are disabled. And to enter the safe mode on your device, you have to press power button and volume up key at the same time. Hold your finger down on the power off option, and then select OK, and wait until your device is restarted into the safe mode. And once you access the safe mode, you'll be able to see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's screen. Now, draw your lock screen pattern on it. And in case you succeed, before trying to figure out what kind of application could have caused this trouble, let's first go to Settings and select Security and Privacy right here. Then go to Device Unlocking, select Screen Lock, provide your pattern once again, and then select either Swipe or None. Tap Remove, and then restart your phone into the normal mode again by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time. Select Restart and wait until your phone is restarted. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.